welcome to Tricks. In the last video, we learned a trick to remember the Governor General from 1774 to 1858. One important fact related to the first phase was that the Governor Generals from 1774 till William Bentinck, they were known as Governor of Fort William, Bengal. And after Charter Act of 1833, Lord William Bentinck, who was the Governor General of Fort William, became the Governor General of British India. So Lord William Bentinck was the first Governor General of British India. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy of British India. Viceroy was the position created after the 1858 Act. The two positions were created, Viceroy and Secretary of State. Viceroy was the representative of the British Crown. Lord Canning continued till 1862, and after him there was one more Viceroy, not that important. In 1864, Lord Lawrence was appointed. Telegraphic communication was opened with Europe. High courts were established at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras in 1865. He was the one who created the Indian Forest Department. In 1869, Lord Mayo or 6th Earl of Mayo was appointed. He initiated the process of financial decentralization. I already made a video on decentralization, and during his times, first ever census in the Indian history was done in 1871. Statistical Survey of India was organized. Lord Northbrook, nothing much happened during his time. Lord Lytton was known for his reverse characteristic. He organized a Grand Delhi Darbar in 1877 to decorate the Queen Victoria with the title of Kaisar-e-Hind. He also passed Arms Act. Under this act, Indians were required to get license to carry any arm. Vernacular Press Act was passed to curb the freedom of the press. This Vernacular Press Act was a kind of gagging act specifically against the non-English newspapers, Indian languages papers, under which a magistrate can call upon the publisher of a press to sign a bond that he or she will not undertake any kind of printing or publishing any material against the government. Then we have Lord Ripon, who was appointed in 1880. Lord Ripon passed the first local Self-Government Act in 1882. After Mayo, it was Ripon who established the Local Self-Government Act. He also acted upon the William Hunter Commission on Education, in which he promoted secondary and primary education. The first Factory Act 1881, which prohibited the child labour, was passed, and the famous Ilbert Bill controversy. Lord Dufferin, the most important thing that happened during his time was the establishment of Indian National Congress in 1885. Lord Lansdowne, he categorized civil services into imperial, provincial and subordinate services. Indian Council Act of 1892 was passed during his time. He also appointed Durrant Commission, which was given the task to divide the line between the British India and Afghanistan. Lord Ellen too, 1894 to 1899, Great Famine of 1896-97 happened during his time, and Lyle Commission was appointed. And then we have finally Lord Curzon, much hated for Bengal division. However, there are other things also. For example, Indian Universities Act was passed by him for greater control over universities. He appointed Police Commission under Sir Andrew Fraser to look over the working of the police in the provinces. And Northwestern Frontier Province was also created by him. He passed the Ancient Monument Protection Act, and thus the Archaeological Survey of India was established, and for which we must thank him. He passed the Indian Coinage and Paper Currency Act and put India on a gold standard. So these are the viceroys, and the trick to remember these viceroys and their important policy, I have formed the story, and I have continued from the earlier story, the story I formed to remember the Governor Generals from 1772 to 1858. And the story was, last thing we remembered from that story, that Peter has gone to war and has signed an alliance with this widow, but she is very cunning and wise. So what happens when he goes to war? She does some mischievous things. So when Peter comes back from the war, he finds that his fence is broken, something is missing from home, and he questions this widow. But she is very cunning, she is ready with all her tools. So she hires a lawyer, calls the High Court in the forest. According to her whims and fancies, she wants the High Court in the forest. In the High Court, there is a judge called Judge Mayo. He orders counting of the assets. There is a cornfield. We knew that there is a cornfield. So he orders the counting of the corn. Just imagine that he orders the counting of the corn because this lady, widow Dolly, alleges that Peter has stolen her corn. Due to the litigation, she wants permission to keep arms. She fears there can be some injury from Peter as he is a war veteran. So she wants permission to keep arms and calls a press conference. She is dramebaj. Nowadays, calling press conference has become a trend. Peter, who is a very genuine person, and he feels very much harassed, being ripped, almost his life is ripped apart, and he is being hunted by her as well as the press. He calls the local government, Inspector Ilbert, for help. But Inspector Ilbert is a duffer and only the Congress party can help him. He asks that there is a need to be categorization of the land and drawn. Land should be properly drawn, else he will die due to hunger because he is not able to farm his land. So the Congress party orders the police commissioner, and the police commissioner Karjan then partitions the land. This is the story what I found from where we left in the earlier video. Don't try to memorize this story. Try to visualize this story. Try to visualize that you are in that position, you are being harassed, your neighbor is trying everything to harass you. Relate everything from the story to the viceroy. First, she hires lawyer. From lawyer, we can remember Lord Lawrence. So she hires lawyer. From lawyer Lawrence, High Court. From High Court, you can remember Lawrence established High Court in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras, and he is the one who established the Indian Forest Services. Next, Judge Mayo orders counting. In the Mayo's term, first ever census took place. And what happens in census? There is the count. From counting, you can remember in Mayo's time, census took place in 1871. Next, but due to the litigation, she wants permission to keep arms and calls press conference. After Mayo, we have Lord Lytton, and from litigation, you can remember Lord Lytton. He was the one who passed the Arms Act. He also passed Vernacular Press Act. From press, you can remember that. Peter being ripped. From ripped, you can remember Ripon. In that Panchayati Raj trick also, I used the word ripped for Ripon. So you can easily associate that ripped stands for Ripon. Hunted by her. From hunted, you can remember the Hunter Commission. Hunter Commission was on education. He was also the one who established the local self-government. So from local government, you can remember in Ripon's time, local self-government act was passed. And the controversial Ilbert bill was also presented during Ripon's time. So from Inspector Ilbert you can remember that. But Inspector is Duffer, Congress party can only help. From Duffer you can remember Dufferin, Indian National Congress was formed. Next, land needs to be categorized. After Dufferin we have Lord Lansdowne, and from land you can remember that we are referring to Lansdowne. He categorized the services into provincial, imperial and subordinate services. From drawn, you can remember Durrant Commission, who is called upon to draw the boundary between British India and Afghanistan. Else he will die due to hunger. And in the Lord Allen's term, there was a famine. And what happens in famine? People die due to the lack of food due to hunger. So from hunger, you can remember that there was a infamous famine during Lord Allen's term. Finally, Police Commissioner Karjan therefore partitioned the land. From Karjan, we remember that he partitioned Bengal. Police Commissioner, you can remember that Karjan established the Police Commission under Sir Andrew Fraser. So this was the story, and this was the relation between the story and the viceroys. Get into the story, be a character in the story, and the story will become your own. Hope you like this trick. Please subscribe to our channel and please thumbs up if you like my video. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.